Hello, my friends. Today, we are not just making a decoration, we are creating a story, a memory, and a little symbol of hope. This is the story of a simple handmade wreath, woven with jute, pine cones, and recycled bullet craft that turn an ordinary winter day into something truly magical. It all began in a small, quiet home where winter had softly arrived. The windows were fogged with cold, and the air smelled of pine and cinnamon. In that home lived a woman named Ilana, who loved to create beauty from things others might throw away. That year, Christmas felt different. Money was tight. The world outside felt heavy. And joy seems a little harder to find, but Ilana believed that art, even simple handmade art, could bring back light where it was fading. So she picked up her basket of jute, old pine cones from last year's decoration, and some small bullet shapes, metal scrapes left from an old craft project. She thought maybe these can become something new, something beautiful again. Ilana sat by the warm glow of a small candle. She tied the jute into circles, shaping it carefully, feeling the texture of each rough fiber between her fingers. As she wrapped it around, she imagined life circle, how everything comes back renewed and reborn. Each pine cone she glued on was not just a piece of nature, it was a story, a memory of long walks under tall trees, laughter with her son, and simple joys. And the bullet craft, once dull and forgotten, now become tiny golden ornaments shining with new purpose. Ilana smiled softly. Even the hardest things, she whispered, can become beautiful if we give them meaning. As she worked, her small room filled with warmth. She layered jute strings, brushed golden paint over pinecone, and placed the bullet crafts like precious gems. Her hands moved slowly, lovingly, almost like a dance. Every motion filled with patience and gratitude. Outside, snow began to fall, the world turned quiet. And inside, the wreath started taking shape, round, rustic, and glowing with simple beauty. She added a soft red ribbon in the middle and tied it carefully. It was not perfect, but it was alive with a spirit carrying the heart of her creativity. When she hung the wreath on her front door, Alana stood back and smiled. It was not just decoration, it is a reminder that even broken leftover things can create joy. The handmade art brings love, not luxury. That hope is something you can build with your own hands. Neighbors passing by noticed it. One said, "That's beautiful. Where did you buy it?" Alana smiled and said, "I made it from what I already had." The neighbor looked amazed. Soon others in the street started creating their own versions. Some from paper, some from twigs, and some from old clothes. The whole street, once quiet and cold, began to bloom with homemade wreaths. Each one different, each one filled with a story and heart. From that simple act, Ilana learned something and shared it with everyone she met. Creativity is not about money, it's about love, patience, and the courage to see beauty in the forgotten. Every jute thread and every knot, every pine cone, every jute thread, and about strength. Every pine cone taught her about patience, and every piece of recycled craft reminded her that even when life feels rough or unfinished, there is always a way to rebuild. Her handmade wreath became known in her neighborhood as the Wreath of Hope. So today, as you create your own wreath with jute, pinecone, or anything you have at home, remember Ilana's stories. Let your hands shape not just a decoration but a message of care, warmth, and creativity. When you hang your wreath on your door or wall, imagine it whispering to every guest, "You are welcome here. You are loved. You make You can make beauty from anything, and maybe just like a lunar wraith, yours will also bright light.